Alright guys, it's Adam here, or Interface Zero. It's giving you a little catch up on the iEnthusiast. As you may have known or heard, Apple removed it from sale on Tuesday. Got a call today and they basically told me it was because of the content. So I have one of two options. Either I could make the application default to a different blog, um, and give the user the option of manually inputting their own URL, in which case if they choose to they can use the iEnthusiast. Um, and if I were to do that, the app would be put back on the store. The second option would be to release it via Cydia. Now Cydia would be a great option, so I can push updates whenever I want, but push notification wouldn't work in Cydia. So I went ahead and I decided to see how hard it would be to implement the fixes that Apple requested. So here's a little preview of what it might take and how the user might be affected. So here you see the app. I'm just gonna unlock it. I'll just put this in the dock, it'll be easier for us. So when you first launch it, and I'm gonna change the sites around, but this is just a heads up. So this is the unofficial Apple weblog is now the default. Again, I might change this, I don't know, but you can use it. Also what I had to do was I had to make the Twitter page, it can no longer default to the iEnthusiast stream. So now whenever you log in, it's going to take it directly to your own stream, and then you can browse over to the iEnthusiast stream from there. Same with YouTube. I couldn't make it default to the iEnthusiast page, but I found a way around that, and so I'll show you that right now. And the shout page is going to stay the same. They said that was fine. So anyway, so now what you'll have to do is go into the settings, and so under iEnthusiast you now have to manually set this information. So your blog list, here a couple of predefined blogs if you want, so you change it there. And because this is running in the background, I just have to refresh it, so that's now your default Engadget. But here you can specify a custom blog URL, and you do have to enter the HTTP, just so you know. This is where you can input the iEnthusiast site, and then turn on the use custom blog option. Also for the YouTube user, if you input the iEnthusiast page or iPhone enthusiast blog user, and you turn that on, when you go back to your iEnthusiast, your home page will now actually be iEnthusiast just like it was before, and your YouTube home page will also default to iEnthusiast blog. Again, if you prefer it just to be on the YouTube homepage, you can go back into settings, turn this off, and now your homepage will default back to the YouTube homepage. Same thing here. If you want to turn off the custom and just go back to the blog list, your homepage then defaults. So again, it's a little bit of a hassle for the user. Not too big of a deal. I'll write up instructions. I'll have a guide for newbies on how they can set it up, just so it'll be exactly the same way it was before. Let me know what you think via YouTube, Twitter, or comments on the site. If you like this, or if you prefer just for me to release something on Cydia, let me know.